In this lesson, I want to show you how to add a redirect from a non-Joomla page. So let's say you've set up a landing page and it's not Joomla. Well, you can be able to control everything from Joomla with the Acymailing component. So let me demonstrate here. All right, I'm just using this online editor here, and I'm just going to, and you see this in real time as well. So I'm just going to copy and paste some codes over. And you notice how you see the form with the name and the email. Now this form, there are a few things that you need to change. There are three things actually that you need to change. First, you need to change where it says your website. And you also need to change where it says your redirect URL. And you also need to change where it says your list. Okay, let's first start with this one, with your website. Now, if you've installed this on the root domain, then all you have to put here is just that root domain. But in this case, I didn't install on the root domain. I installed it on the subfolder. So I have to put that subfolder here. Don't change anything else but just the capital letter stuff. So let me change that. Okay, that's it for that one. And then for the redirect, this is where you want this to redirect to, whatever page that we want this to redirect to. In the previous lesson, we talked about how to set a redirect to the hidden page. So I'm going to redirect everyone that's subscribed to this list to that page we created. So let me just put that URL back in here. And then of course the list. Let's go back here. On the list, you notice that you have, let me pull up this list here. The lists have numbers with them. So the ID numbers, which is 1 and 2. Whatever list that you want to use here, or whatever list you want people to subscribe to, this is the ID number that you put. So all you have to do is, I'm going to want to collect information for people for use from ID 1. So all I have to do is to just delete that and put the number. All right, that's not it yet. There's one other thing that you need to do. You need to let this component know that every time someone clicks here to redirect them to this page. So let's go back to the configuration. So when you're here on the configuration page, you go to configuration, it's the main page, and you want to go to subscription, and you want to scroll down here where it says redirections. This is where you have to make sure that you put that here. If you don't put that here, that's not going to work. So I'm just going to copy and paste. This is the URL that is going to redirect to. So every time someone fills this form here, it's going to automatically send them to this page. Now I don't want you to confuse this with the module. We have this here, the module, they redirect to this page as well. But you can have different pages. You can set the module to go to a different page, and you can set this one to go to a different page. So it just so happened that we're using the exact same page for both of them. So once you set the page here that you want this to redirect to, then you are ready to go. So now from here, that's set up. Just go through that one more time. That's set up. Make sure that all the letters are spelled correctly, because if you misspell one letter, if you had an extra period or comma, it's not going to show. So let me fill this information now. Put in the name. Okay, then next we have to just click subscribe. Okay, let's scroll down here. Again, here's the subscription redirect message was set. So everything is working accordingly. So when someone clicks this, then it brings them to this page. Now this is really great if you're, if you set up a funnel and you want the first page to be the information there with, their subscription form. Once they click on it, then it can reveal this page to them. And then from this page on, you can do whatever you want to do, or you can put whatever information that you want to put here. So this is how you set up a redirect from a non-Joomla site. Once again, this site is non-Joomla. but you can be able to control this from your Joomla site. So you can have multiple websites, you can run multiple sites and be able to use Joomla to be able to connect everything, and that keeps track of it. So when we go now, let me refresh this list page. When I come now, you notice that there are 8 subscribers. So let me click on that. And these are all the different tests, you know, that have been done, or this are all the subscribers that have subscribed to that particular newsletter.